step back. What's going on?
Talk to this officer.
You want them to be leave? Do you want them to leave or trespass? Hey, we can't. Hey, you pregnant. You're going to be trespassing if you start this. Hey, stop pushing.
She pregnant, bro. She pregnant. Chill. What you doing, bro? You got it.
I score 42. I got one subject right now.
You got bro. You got them dirty assholes go there. You got that. Cause I'm a male, bro. I'm a male. A female gonna win every time. A female gonna win every time because they got a pussy and titty. Yeah, every time a female gonna win. Bet, bro. Bet, bro. Take that. Take that man. I'ma take my man. I'ma take my man, bro. I'ma take my man. I ain't gonna even risk it. Cause I ain't finna get shot by a white man. I swear to God. I swear to God I'ma live.
He pushing me. He pushed me. He's going to jail.
Bro, cause you touched my girlfriend, nigga. Take me to jail, nigga.
Where you
Take me to jail, nigga.
No, I'm good right now.
A 22-year-old college student was tackled inside a Nike store. His pregnant girlfriend watched. He left in handcuffs, charged with battery. James Hurd had no prior record. Tonight, was the force justified, and does the charge hold up?
You thought you got pushed. I ain't touch you, nigga. Point blank, you a pussy. All them muscles for nothing, nigga. You a nigga.
You causing problems.
You should never block me.
I didn't push you. I'm telling you to move.
Fucking pregnant, bro. You are not losing my time, bro. Calm your ass down. You pregnant. You can't be rowdy like that. Let them do their job. Security cameras when I touch you, nigga. Show me. Show me. Take me to the security room and show me the camera. Take me to the security room and show me the camera. You ain't gonna do it. You a little ass. All the muscles for nothing, nigga. Point blank. You a show me the security camera. Show me the camera.
Ma'am, you need to stay back, okay?
My lady pregnant. You touch her, you dead, nigga. You touch her, you dead. Cause my child gonna live, nigga. You touch her, you dead, nigga.
Us, right?
I ain't resisting. You just talking. Nigga, show them cameras. I'm glad everybody record this shit talking about I'm resisting. Nigga, I'm talking. And I'm allowed to talk. Nigga, freedom of speech, nigga. Show me the security camera. Show me the security cameras. Show me. And you touch me, you getting sued. I swear to God. Touch me, you getting sued, nigga. You getting sued, little Haitian ass nigga. You getting sued. Show me the security cameras while I touch you. Show me the security cameras while I touch you. Is there anybody that can see them security cameras? Talking about I pushed his ass. Show me the security cameras. I ain't resisting shit. Show me the cameras. Show me the cameras.
You have your ID on you?
Move away from the employees. It's in my bag. I ain't gonna touch him. I'm in cuffs, nigga. Point blank. And you know that. What you gonna do? What you think? I'm gonna kick him? Show me the security cameras right now. And you gotta show me. You gotta show me, nigga.
Okay?
I got it. I got it. You got it. Let her calm down. She pregnant, bro. Show me the security cameras right now where I push. Show me. Nigga. Show me right now, nigga. Point blank. You just mad. All the muscles, nigga.
Causing a disturbance. I'm moving him away from the
Sorry,
line.
whatever
Let me
you
explain.
have.
The lady skipped me in line. I said, ma'am,
have.
just get the spot.
All right, get it. Whatever you got a 10-15, right?
Yes.
All right.
And show me the camera. Can
I need your ID.
It's in my bag. You took. I told you that's my
Which one, that
wallet.
one?
And there. It's top bag, not that. Zap. Right there. It's in my wallet. Right there. You're gonna see a wallet. Nope, that's my lady's. Right there. The other one. Right there. Lift up. Right there. 22 years old, 04, 08, 2000, James Hurd. Y'all finna get sued. You're finna get sued. I'm finna get $3,500 from your ass. Ha ha.
All right.
You're finna get sued. Show me the security cameras. You ain't gonna show them? Cause you can't. Cause you know what's gonna happen to you. Cause you scared. Come on, bro. You black. You supposed to be on my side. That's a hoe skipped me. That hoe skipped me in line. You just let her go. Wanna know why? Cause she got a pussy. Thinking you finna get something off of letting her go. Nigga, you ain't gonna get no pussy with them muscles. I get pussies and I'm skinny, nigga. I don't need muscles to get pussy. Fuck. And you touch my lady again while she pregnant, you gonna die. My lady pregnant, you got her screaming and shit, nigga, trying to push my lady. Show them cameras, bro. Why y'all doing everything but showing them security cameras? You can take me to jail, I don't care. I don't care because I know I'm gonna win, but show me the security
Copy
cameras.
of 29.
Show me.
By number.
Don't let that lady skip me, bro. And then let her go. Come on, bro. I just want to get my shit, get out of here.
623
Shit crazy,
458
This is why nobody like y'all. Because when the nigga do right, you still do wrong. This is why. I did everything right, and you still, I only teed up because you did me wrong. I was calm the whole time. You took me down. Because you got mad. I said you got muscles for no and then you took me down. When I said that.
Bro, calm down, dude.
Bro, I'm calm. But can I see the security cameras? Can I see? All right, bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's gonna calm me down. Is there a way I can see the security camera? It's a genuine question. Can I see him? Right, before, if you take me to jail, whatever,
I don't know. I don't know if they have cameras here. I don't work here.
I know they got cameras. It's the outlet. It's Christmas time, but bet still what happened when somebody steal? How they get caught? If I was to take something, I bet you got them cameras. I bet if I was a black man taking something, you would say, show the cameras where he took it, and you gonna have me on the cameras, bro.
I don't work
right or
here.
wrong, just right or wrong, though.
Here.
Right or wrong, though.
Store. I don't work here.
Okay, you being an officer, is it not your job to know if there's cameras?
On
You being an
every store
officer?
in
No,
Orlando?
in this store. You're in this store. You just came in this store. The first thing you should have said was, there cameras of the situation?
I just got here.
All right, so that's why I'm asking. Is there a way, can you find out, do they have cameras?
Well,
Even though I know they have
I
cameras.
need to go get my
cannot even leave
computer and paperwork.
Yeah, so just
Alright,
give me
bet. So
1
I'ma
minute.
calm down.
Sergeant's gonna drive my car in the back. I'm gonna load him in my car.
I've never
and
been
then
in
you
trouble.
go
This
do
is
your
so funny.
thing, and I'll do the
I'm on my
security.
third year of college. This is so funny. I've never been arrested, and this is what it's like. I've never been, and this is so funny. Now I see what them people be talking about, because y'all are hilarious.
You want to put his stuff back in the back?
This is hilarious. Y'all finna get sued, or they finna get sued. Somebody finna get sued over this shit. Because I want to see them cameras when you touched me, and you finna lose everything you got. Because you getting sued. Because you did me wrong. I'm a college student, nigga, Bethune-Cookman, bro. This my third year, never been in trouble, never had drug possession, never had nothing. Now what? Nigga, you think because I got wicks that I did something before? Nigga, I'm in college, nigga. Trying to feed my family, my pregnant girlfriend, nigga. Something the same thing you probably trying to do.
Alright, come on.
Let's go.
James objected after a woman cut ahead of him in line. Security got involved. James was loud, but he had not touched anyone. Seconds later, he was driven to the ground inside the store. In slow motion, his hands are open, no punch thrown, no weapon reached for. Critical legal point. This is a private security officer, not police. The Fourth Amendment does not apply directly, but civil tort law does. An unjustified tackle can constitute battery, regardless of who gets charged. For the battery charge against James to hold, prosecutors must show he made intentional harmful contact first. The footage does not clearly show that. The store's surveillance cameras are the key evidence, and James knew it. James Hurt was charged with battery. Court disposition is unknown at the time of this analysis. If the store cameras show security as the first aggressor, that charge faces serious problems.
Can you get them cameras before I go? Because I know what y'all finna do. Y'all finna leave before you get them cameras. Get them cameras. Get them
How do I
cameras.
get to your back door?
Hey, make sure you get them cameras. They're trying to avoid it. Get them cameras. Get them cameras. I don't know, but get them cameras. I don't care if I know anything wrong. Where did he go, dude? Get them cameras. Get them cameras so y'all can see how y'all lying, man. I can't wait to see y'all laugh. I'm finna take everything from your ass. I'm finna take your whole family, nigga. I'm finna take your whole family when I see these cameras. This shit
No,
funny.
not a job.
This shit funny. I've never even been to jail. This shit funny. This shit hilarious. Oh wait, one thing. Can I get my lady my car keys?
No, everything's
She don't
gonna
have
go
a car.
to
She's
jail. Everything's
pregnant.
gonna go to jail.
She's pregnant. So how she gonna get home?
Gonna go to jail.
Cause you want to right? Bet. Cause you ain't got no other reason, right? Answer the question. Right. Got it. All right. Bet. Oh. I thought you was the nicest. Now I got my pregnant girlfriend walking. Cause you're an you got kids, right, sir? Would you do that to your daughter? Would you do that to your daughter? You wouldn't do that to your daughter, right? Exactly, nigga. My nigga wrong, but your daughter gonna be able to go home and be nice. But my pregnant girlfriend gotta be on her feet. Okay, bad. That's how y'all do. Y'all not y'all keep y'all family straight, but my family gotta be on their feet. I hope this happen to y'all. I hope it happen to y'all, kid. I hope it, because I'm a college student. Never been in trouble, never been in jail, never had drugs. Y'all see my house, and y'all think a nigga did. Alright. Bet. Come on, all y'all last. I'm taking all y'all money. I'm taking all y'all money. I bet you won't see your kids again, nigga, because you gonna get sued. Sued. Sued, sued, sued. You're getting sued. You're getting sued. And they recorded it, so you're definitely getting sued. You're getting sued, sir. You know that? I have a lawyer. Did you know that? That's okay. You ain't gotta know. You're getting sued. Make sure my lady get on my shit. Y'all having to get sued. One more question, Bob.
Yes, sir.
So ain't no way for you to get that security camera, huh?
There is no way for us to reveal the security cameras now? No, there is not.
So how would I get it? I don't know.
So if you want to request...
In other words, let's say someone said I beat that cop to death. How would you have proof of that? Of course, obviously you got a body cam. But how would you not be able to go, or let's say, not even that, let's say I steal something. How would you know I stole something? You want me to get that security camera? No. Because I just don't want my record looking like I pushed the police officer.
Right.
Know I did.
So the fact
Especially
that...
when I've never been in trouble.
Right. So security cameras, like having or not having security cameras, not necessarily takes the case either way. Because what about when there was no security cameras around, right? People were still
in the middle of the store as well as people recording.
Okay, so security
cameras. In other
cameras.
words, we were by the cashier, so if someone was to run up to that cashier and do something, that's what the camera would be. You were right next to the cashier, so something is definitely gonna see. If someone's, I just don't believe you. Of course, you could be just not knowing, but I just feel like you're not even trying. But
security cameras?
Police are gonna look out the police, but I just want to know: is there no way I can get those security cameras?
Well, let me put it this way. If there is security cameras, they're going to be entered as evidence on this case.
The suspect was charged with battery.
The security officer receives a D. No meaningful de-escalation was attempted. A pregnant woman was nearby. The force was disproportionate to a verbal confrontation. James Hurt receives a B-. His legal instincts were correct throughout, but his sustained aggression kept the encounter at maximum tension when he had every opportunity to walk away. Lessons learned: in any retail dispute, stay calm and disengage. Every legal remedy you want is still available after you leave the store. Nothing is won by staying in the confrontation. If you witness or experience use of force, ask for the incident report number on the spot. Store surveillance footage can be deleted within days. Document your intent to preserve it immediately. Private security has a limited authority. They can ask you to leave. They can detain you for a reasonable time. What they cannot do is use disproportionate force. Know that line. Never verbally threaten security or police, even in anger. Protected speech is still recorded. Every word said on camera can be used to paint you as the aggressor, even when you are not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.